Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. In this video, I'm excited to showcase McKee's 37 Professional RV One-Step Graphene, Glass, and Plastic Cleaner. This is an all-in-one formula that safely cleans and protects glass and plastic surfaces. So, you can use this on your windshield, the inside, the outside, your mirrors, your windows, pretty much any glass surface inside or outside of your RV or your motor coach, plus plastic surfaces like your instrument cluster or your LCD touchscreen navigation. Unlike most glass cleaners that are formulated using alcohol and ammonia, this forgoes any harsh chemicals and instead relies on advanced chemistry, including graphene, which makes surfaces slick and hydrophobic, and for plastic surfaces, it makes it so they don't smudge up as easily, which is especially critical for touchscreen LCD navigation systems, which you're often touching with your fingers. Plus, you can use this on microwaves as well as glass stovetops, and my favorite application is in the bathroom to clean your shower, or more importantly, to clean the mirror that you look at every morning when you're getting ready for the day. Using graphene, glass, and plastic cleaner couldn't be easier. Take the product, you want to spray a liberal amount directly on the surface, and then it works best when you use a dedicated glass towel. This is our spider glass towel. It's designed just for glass, and it removes oily films and dirt and grime without streaking or smearing. Plus, like I said, this glass cleaner doesn't have any harsh ingredients. So if there's someone in your household that has a sensitive nostril, well, don't worry about spraying this product because you can do it with confidence. It's not going to make you cough or hack, especially in a small, confined environment like the bathroom in an RV or a bus. Now here's the tip. After you spray the cleaner directly on the surface, use one towel and wipe in one direction, and then either flip the towel to a dry side, or better yet, grab a second clean dry towel for your final buff and go in the opposite direction. That'll help you identify any streaks if they remain. That same tip applies to the windshield. Spray all over the windshield on the outside, wipe in one direction, and then for the inside, wipe in the opposite direction. That way you can easily identify where you missed a spot. And I gotta tell you, fast, simple, effective, ammonia and alcohol free. This actually has similar cleaning technology to what they use in hospital. It's nonionic surfactants. It simply works well. We've really mastered this technology, and I'm excited for you to try it in your RV or in your bus. For more information on McKee's 37 Professional RV One-Step Graphene, Glass, and Plastic Cleaner, visit McKee's37.com. Take care, and God bless.